Hello and welcome to the session on eKYC functionality introduced at branch offices. This course aims to equip postal staff with the knowledge and operational skills required for handling eKYC-based services and Aadhaar-authenticated transactions in branch post offices using DREAM application. By the end of this course, the participants will be able to understand the concept and purpose of Aadhaar-based eKYC operations in branch post offices, explain the features and benefits of paperless Aadhaar-authenticated transaction facility in post office accounts, perform conversion of existing CIF to eKYC CIF through the DREAM application, execute Aadhaar-authenticated deposit transactions in POSA, RD and SSA accounts as per the prescribed limits, execute Aadhaar-authenticated withdrawal transactions in POSA accounts through biometric authentication, customer consent by using biometric authentication from UID AI server. Identify eligibility conditions and operational limits applicable to eKYC transactions, understand branch office interoperability, enabling transactions in accounts maintained at other branch offices. Follow prescribed procedures related to consent, OTP verification, biometric authentication, and customer verification. Apply operational safeguards to prevent duplicate transactions and ensure data security. Generate and verify transaction reports and comply with documentation and auditing requirements. This session narrates about the various functions available under eKYC in the DREAM app. The objective of this initiative is to reduce dependency on paper forms like pay-in slips and withdrawal forms, improve customer convenience, strengthen security through biometric authentication, and introduce interoperability so that transactions can be done from any branch office, irrespective of where the account is opened or maintained. This functionality is already available in departmental post offices since the 6th of January 2025 and is now getting expanded to branch offices too. The first and foremost step to be followed in order to avail the eKYC benefits is conversion of existing CIF into Aadhaar-based eKYC CIF through biometric authentication, which is also called re-KYC. After successful conversion of CIF to eKYC, a customer can avail paperless deposits and withdrawal transaction facilities. The limit for deposit transaction is 50,000 in post office savings account, RD and SSA accounts. The withdrawals in POSA account is up to 20,000 rupees. The major benefit of eKYC is that the transactions can be availed in any BO, irrespective of the fact where the account is opened. The transactions are completely paperless and can be availed only for single accounts. Joint accounts and minor accounts cannot avail this facility. Now let us see some of the mandatory requirements for eKYC. Linking of mobile numbers to CIF, Aadhaar number, digital consent of the customer through biometric authentication is needed for re-KYC.
Supported on mobile devices running on Android version 10 and above and iOS version 15 and above.
The data is auto-fetched from UID AI server, which cannot be edited. If any changes need in any of the personal information, the customer needs to visit the account office. BODTR will display voucher-based and Aadhaar-based biometric transactions separately. To conclude, eKYC functionality in BOs is a major reform towards digital and paperless postal banking sector. The GDS and BPMs play a key role in implementing this digital revolution in India Post. Proper understanding of DREAM app functions, customer guidance, compliance, and timely reporting will ensure smooth and successful operations. Friends, we will discuss the workflow of conversion, deposit, and withdrawal in detail in our upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching the session.